This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am going to prepare muffin cake. So I will show you everything in this video how I will prepare muffin cake. So muffin cake, first we will take 1 kg 200 gram of flour, 8 piece of eggs, 12 gram of baking soda, 40 gram of baking powder, pineapple essence, yellow color, 280 gram of milk, 600 ml of water, 600 gram of oil and 760 gram of sugar. So guys, first we will mix these 5 items: water, sugar, oil and milk and eggs. We will mix in the mixture all together. So guys, I will mix about 5 minutes. So guys, I will add baking soda and baking powder into the flour. So guys, almost 5 minutes I close. Now I will add flour. I will add flour slowly, not one time. So guys, now I will add pineapple essence. I will add 4 cup of pineapple essence. A color, yellow color. Also 4 cup of yellow color. So guys, it's ready. We mix all the ingredients. Now I will remove. So mixture is ready, as you can see. Now I will keep in this bowl. So guys, our mixture is ready. Now I will keep this mixture about 2 hours in room temperature for the rest, and after 2 hours I will prepare muffin. So guys, 2 hours complete. You can see our batter is all done, and now I am going to add in this paper. You can see muffin paper. I will add in this mold slowly, one by one. So guys, as you can see, I fill all the trays. Now I am going to cook in the oven about 25 minutes and temperature will be 200 degrees. Now I am going to cook in the oven. I will cook about 25 minutes and temperature, you can see I set already 200 degrees. So after 25 minutes I will show you the final product. So guys, after 25 minutes our muffin is done. As you can see the color, it's golden brown color. So guys, you can see our muffin is ready, and now I am going to taste with black coffee.
This could be good for me.